Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. This is part 4 in this video series of iron removing wheel cleaners. This is not an Adams bottle, but as you can see, this is the green Adams wheel cleaner. We primarily buy it in gallons or 5 gallons. We do use this a lot in our shop, so I didn't want anybody to think I'm bullshitting them over here. So like the other test, we're going to spray the wheel down, let it dwell for 2 minutes, give it a rinse, see how much brake dust and iron removing capabilities it has, and then we will spray it down again and do our contact wash. One thing I do notice about the Adams, it's very thick and viscous and likes to cling. I don't know if that means you use more product, but all right, let's start that timer.
2 minutes, counting down.
And like the other videos, I will speed this up. And we're back. Now, I don't know if it's coming through on the camera here, but if you look and see here, you can definitely see the red and the chemical doing its job here, which I really did not see with the other three. So let's give it a rinse, see where we're at. There's still some grime here, but in terms of actually removing iron particles, I think it did a stellar job. So let's spray the wheel down again and the barrel. And a lot of you might be asking, well, if I love the TacSystem Iron Zero so much, why have the Adams? Because obviously we buy it in gallons or 5 gallons. Well, the number one reason is cost. 4 liters of TacSystem is around $100 US. You do have to buy it from Canada, which Carzilla is awesome. I have no problems with buying it from Canada. Their customer service is excellent. If there's any chemicals you can't get in the US here, and I highly recommend going through them. But the number one reason is cost. You know, if the wheels aren't super thrashed, I'm just going to go for the Adams. And if it doesn't do the trick, I will go to the Iron Zero, because we do use Iron Zero as an iron remover on vehicles. In my opinion, it really is the best iron remover out there, but that is subjective. Everybody has their own personal preference. I've had some people ask me and message me how much the owner of these wheels wants. They're asking $1,000 or best offer while I'm here. They have Pirelli Scorpion all-terrain pluses on it. These are the OEM Trailhawk wheels with 245, 65, 17 all-terrains on them. Now back to the rinsing. I don't know. I feel that wheel could be a little bit cleaner. I don't know. Could be because I missed spots. I don't know. The other wheels look about the same. What do you folks think? There's still a little bit of the wheel coating there. It's still trying to bead and fight off stuff. Otherwise, it's pretty much failed. Let's grab another product on this last wheel. I say Iron Zero was the best. So let's spray it down and see if we get any red or purple. Why not? If we do, I was right. If we don't, maybe I'm full of crap. Who knows? Let's find out. Oh, there's some red and purple in there. And in here. And over here. Oh yeah, and in here. I don't know if you can see it or not. But yeah, let's let that dwell again for a little bit. Let's give it a minute or two. Let's see if we really do get any more iron out of this thing. See, there's definitely iron in there. See it? So at least if nothing else, you definitely know that the Iron Zero is removing more stuff. So let's give it another contact wash and see where we're at. There's a ton of purple right here and here. Dang. So if nothing else, the Iron Zero is more powerful than the Atoms, removing iron particles and brake dust. Because there's a lot of purple right here. A lot. And I didn't hate the MWC. I thought it did an okay job. Hopefully I can grab this real quick. Look at all the red that came off that wheel. And that was after we cleaned it. If I really had to choose a winner, it's a tie. Like, you can't go wrong with any of these. But I definitely think the TacSystem Iron Zero and the DIY Detail Iron Remover were the two clear-cut winners, with an honorable mention being the Koch Chemie MWC. We hope you've enjoyed this video on iron removing wheel cleaners. My name is John. We are North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing. We will catch everybody in the next video. See y'all soon. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.